right, guys, we are preparing for Hurricane Milton, and we just found out that the house came with shutters, thank God. So we are going to attempt to do that. We've never had to do this before, so we don't know what we're doing, but there are a lot of neighbors outside, so we are just going to have to figure it out. So that's what we're gonna do right now after I have my coffee. All right, so we are going on our last scooter ride before we are locked up in the house for days. We're out here on the scooter, and this is like a trail. So this is like the before. Our little friend, we already have little friends coming to stay with us. It's a little frog we have to release. He's tangled in hair.
Yeah, I don't know where that hair comes from. Funny feelings.
We gotta get him out of here. You gonna release him? Yeah? Wait, the only escape is through the garage. I'm filling every drinkable cup. I'm filling every cup up with water for us to drink when the electricity goes out, because we get our water from the refrigerator, and so and the power is probably going to go out. I'm covering it all with saran wrap and extra bowls for brushing teeth, washing hands, and things like that. I also have these little baggies filled with water and freezing them. My kids did this so we can have ice packs to keep our freezer foods. So we have air mattresses here because we're going to be sleeping downstairs tonight. And because this is got to be like our emergency shelter is the bathroom. So I have waters in there. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, a lot of them in the freezer, and snacks just in case it takes a long time. There's a lot of us that have to squeeze into there if we need to. So there's no water rising. That's good. I have water in bowls stored. I have, we made little freezer bags and pots of water to freeze to store the meats. And I put every cup we have is filled with water, and every water bottle too. Okay, it is kind of hard to see, but it's raining a lot. It's a little windy, but not too bad. All right, guys, I will see you after the hurricane.